So, you want to build a successful online business, right? Especially with 2026 just around the corner. But let's be honest, the online world is just littered with challenges. What if there was a smarter way to build? A model that lets you leverage other people's incredible skills so you can focus on what really matters: growth. Okay, let's dive into this.
And this is the big question, isn't it? Why do so many of them, well, just fizzle out? It's a tough reality for most entrepreneurs. They get totally bogged down by things like inventory, shipping, crazy ad costs. They're chasing trends instead of building something solid. This high failure rate is no secret, but the reasons why, that's what's often misunderstood.
And if you look at the numbers, it gets even crazier. Even for a super popular model like dropshipping, the success rate is, well, it's shockingly low. Most data shows that only about 10 to 20% of these stores actually stay profitable for more than a few months. That tells you something really important. The traditional approach is just plain flawed for most people.
Okay, this right here, this is the core idea. It's a total mindset shift. On one side, you've got the freelancer. They're basically selling their time, trading hours for dollars. It's a model that's really hard to scale. But on the other side, you've got the drop servicer. See, they're not selling their own time. They're selling a complete solution, a finished project, and then they find the absolute best person to actually deliver it. This is the heart of the model we're exploring today.
And that brings us to drop servicing. It's a business model that feels like it was built for today, for right now. It cleverly sidesteps all those common pitfalls of e-commerce and freelancing. It's all about you being the project manager, the quality controller, the business builder, not just the person doing all the hands-on work.
So here's the simple breakdown of how it works. You're the bridge. You find a client who needs a service, let's say a new logo, and you agree on a price. Then you go out and hire an expert freelancer to do the actual design work for a lower price. You manage the whole project, make sure the quality is top-notch, and the difference between what the client paid you and what you paid the freelancer, that's your profit. Simple, clean, and incredibly scalable.
And the process itself? It's actually a pretty simple 5-step loop. Your main jobs are finding clients and making sure the final product is amazing. You're not the one coding or designing or writing. Think of yourself as the architect of the solution, managing all the moving parts to create something perfect for your client.
All right, so the theory is cool and all, but what can you actually sell? Let's get practical. Let's look at some real-world business ideas that are just packed with potential. We've broken down 9 high-growth opportunities that are absolutely perfect for a drop servicing model heading into 2026.
So here's a quick look at 9 really promising ideas. We've kind of grouped them into 3 main buckets: tech, marketing, and some more specialized services. As you can see, each one has its pros, like maybe really high demand or the chance for repeat clients, and its cons, like being a bit more technical or having some stiff competition. Have a quick look. Now we're going to spotlight one from each of these categories to give you a better feel for that.
Let's kick things off with a big one from the tech world: UI/UX design. I mean, think about it. Every single app, every website, every piece of software needs a great user interface and experience to have any chance of succeeding. And this isn't some one-and-done job. Companies are constantly updating and redesigning, which creates this massive, ongoing demand. And just look at these numbers for a second. The market is projected to more than quadruple in just 5 years. We're talking over $9 billion by 2030. When you see growth like this, you're not just looking at a trend. You're looking at a foundational pillar of the digital world. And that is where the opportunity is.
Okay, let's switch gears to marketing. With the absolute explosion of the creator economy, there is one skill that is in constant, desperate demand: video editing. Every single YouTuber, TikToker, and Instagram influencer needs a never-ending stream of polished content to stay relevant. And guess what? Most of them have no time or skill to do it themselves.
So what's fueling all this? You are. We are. The average person spends over 25 hours a month just on TikTok and YouTube. This insatiable appetite for video means creators are literally burning out trying to keep up. By offering a reliable video editing service, you're not just offering a skill, you're solving a massive pain point for a booming industry.
And for our last spotlight, let's talk about something a bit more specialized, but with huge potential: 3D modeling and rendering. And no, this isn't just for video games anymore. We're talking architects, e-commerce stores, product designers, real estate agents. They all need realistic 3D models to visualize and sell their stuff.
And yeah, the market projections for this are just insane. a jump from $4 billion to $26 billion in a single decade. This is a niche where the projects are complex, the price tags are high, and clients will absolutely pay a premium for quality. And that premium, well, that's where your profit margin really shines.
Okay, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but let's get real for a second. There's a reason so many online businesses fail, and it's not just about the business model, it's the execution. A great idea, that's just the starting line.
This quote here is about drop shipping, but honestly, it fits drop servicing like a glove. This is not a lottery ticket. It is a real business. It demands strategy, marketing, customer service, and a whole lot of patience. If you treat it like some kind of shortcut, you're just setting yourself up to fail.
Let's talk about one of the biggest, most common mistakes I see. Seriously, neglecting mobile. Just think about this. Over 62% of all web traffic now comes from a mobile device. So if your website, your portfolio, and your whole client experience isn't absolutely flawless on a phone, you're basically shutting the door on the majority of your potential customers before they even get a chance to say hello.
And that's just the tip of the iceberg, right? So many promising businesses die because of these fundamental mistakes. Inconsistent branding just confuses people. Ignoring SEO makes you practically invisible. Generic targeting is just a way to burn money. And without data, you're just guessing. You have to treat this like a serious operation from day one.
But look, it's not all doom and gloom. Not at all. Because here's the good news. While the challenges are very real, the tools we have available in 2026 give you an almost unfair advantage over anyone who tried this just a few years ago. Let's talk about how to build your business smarter, not just harder.
So what's the big secret? What's your real advantage in 2026? It's simple. Leveraging AI and automation. These tools are no longer a nice-to-have luxury. They are your force multipliers. They can handle all the repetitive, time-sucking tasks of running a business, which frees you up to focus on what actually moves the needle, finding great clients and delivering amazing quality.
And this is what that can look like in practice. This is your AI-powered toolkit. You can use a tool like Jasper to whip up compelling marketing copy in seconds. You could use something like Synthesia to create professional marketing videos without ever touching a camera. And the engine running it all? A workflow automation tool like ActivePieces that connects all your apps, handling everything from lead nurturing to client onboarding. So it all just works.
So, there you have it. We've laid out the entire blueprint. A business model that dodges the common traps, a list of high-growth service ideas, and the AI-powered tools to make it all manageable. The only question left is the one right here on the screen. What problem out there are you going to solve? What solution will you start selling?